Ke District Legal Services Authority South Garo Hills Bakmara ha ka jingas nok tilang ka project surrounding na kanong ba Shillong ha ka arpulai tarik uluber arjar arpusaw Iashim Bynta ban Pynkhuid ya ka yaw Chokpot bat kumju iklinti kisingkin ha ka ni ka jing Pynkhuid ya ka yaw laydon lang bat Daniel Marbanyang CJM ka Bakmara ubalakintui ki pa uway nong shnong uday bandon ka jingkit kli ban Pynkhuid ya ka shnong ka thaw ka yaw ka hat bat kumju kami Mariang.
Anyway, that's a different issue. So the air that we breathe from here causes cancer. That's why we see that there are so many cancer patients. This can be solved. So many things can be solved. We will go step by step. I cannot talk everything because you have your own activities also. So I will come to this slowly and steadily.
Most potent enemy now. This is a cancer. So each and every one of us, it's our duty. We are duty bound to do it. We should not run only for the fundamental rights. People are running only for the rights. But we should also remember that we have a duty. Duty of each and every one. Mandirang. We have to do it. There's no excuse. If this Chokpot becomes dirty, and you've heard and you've seen also what happened during the COVID-20, everything is shut down. Everybody doesn't even have tangka dangja. Then what? You'll blame yourself. We have to wake up before it's too late. So before I call my friend who will share, first of all, I would like to thank God for giving us this wonderful weather here in Chokpot. And secondly, my very able officer, Mr. John Hendricks, officer in charge of Chokpot PS, and my legal counsel, Mr. Secondson, who has come all the way from Bakmara, Mr. Sato, obviously, for being able to link this program between the DLSA and the people of Chokpot, and also are members of the Bazaar Committee here in Chokpot, and some Pamong who is here, Mr. Thank you, Mr. Medan, being also the member of the District Legal Services Authority from Bakmara, and warm welcome to my friend and colleague and classmate, Mr. Jong, who is also the founder of this project in surrounding in Shillong. So I've called him especially for this program here in Chokpot, so that he can share with